Hi guys, it's me, Julia, the last say
Wow,
hello.
Hi guys, it's me, Juliana.
Hello. I don't know what I say. Let's just go back. I'm using my lipstick again because I don't have any makeup. I love putting blush on. I have school. Do you have school tomorrow? I'm asking my subscribers. Guys, I'm taking insurance. Because I still need to blend it. Oh, it's so dark. Wow, looks so cute. I should blend it now. I have to find my blush. Blush? Okay, let's go blend it. Only for the fast reaction. Emotional damage. Haha. My God, I look so cute. Right, so ugly. So guys, next video. See you guys tomorrow. Let's go. Ew. Okay, bye. See you guys in the next video.